Do you work in the automotive industry? Well, we're here to find out about the best-in-class solutions from Ceratizit.
My name is Staiger. I'm Sales Director for the Global Key Account and the segments. So my team is responsible globally for our best-in-class solution to ensure our technical support, expertise at the customer side. So we are mainly focusing on the OEM, Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers. And we have a global network represented everywhere on the world, and we ensure that the same standard, same quality is everywhere available. Especially in the automotive sector, we ensure that our customers can produce millions of parts with the same quality on the most economical way, and it doesn't matter where on the globe it happens, in which kind of production it happens, and this is our I think the biggest target when it comes to automotive customers. A special example is a major truck manufacturer. Once came to us with a very difficult application. It was the valve seat machining, and he came to us and said, I want to have an easy setup tool which is easy to handle and I save time and cost while presetting. And we said, okay, that would be a real challenge, but due to our expertise network globally, we could really achieve, together with R&D, application guys, we could really develop a plug-and-play tool which could achieve the very narrow tolerances of a valve seat. So it came from the customers. We basically developed the tool, and it really pays off because now we are, I would say we did a benchmark in the industry with that. Additionally, for example, when it comes to aluminium wheel, it's very interesting that over a long time experience in aluminium wheel machining, we can achieve to produce an aluminium wheel, which everybody knows, in 2.5 minutes. So a complete aluminium wheel machining in 2.5 minutes, and this is something I would say it's really stands for our best-in-class philosophy and how we support our customers out there, and this leads us to a major market share. Especially for the EV sector, we see in the industry that in terms of quantity, it picks up now, and our customers are struggling basically to get the parts done. And this is where we come in, because we have a technical solution. We talk about one-shot tooling, so in, out, finished. So especially here on our booth, we show different combination tools, different combination drills. We show our ISOP inserts. We do a step-by-step approach. We have our multifunctional tools, so no tool change at all. You do all the contour finish. And when it comes to our finishing and hard turning, it's our CBN master finish inserts, and we have a great development to cool basically the air down while it comes to the cutting edge through the holder. So we integrated a self-cooling system into a tool holder, which gives you a massive tool life, and our customers can produce and ramp up the quantity. Here we especially show a gear shaft, which is very important for the EV cars, because we have a higher torque, and in terms of quality, the request is very high, and we show that we are able to do a one-shot machining. You see it here. We have a one-shot drill doing the whole inside contour, the flank with one shot, and it's basically from both sides in the same operation. We do the outside turning with our very successful ISOP inserts. Then we have integrated our EcoCut, which is our multifunctional tool, so less tool change to increase basically, or reduce the cycle time, increase the output. And when it comes to hard turning, we have our CBN master finish, and we have something really cool here. We included Venturi inside of the tool holder. So you come with a normal air temperature, room temperature, you go in with 6 bars and you get a minus 10 degrees on the cutting edge. And this in hard turning, I can tell you, it changed completely the process and it increased the tool life. Nowadays, we talk about the supply chain. We are really independent supply chain from any global disruption. So we really have, from the ore to the finished product, everything in our own hand. We do a massive effort on our recycling strategy. So we basically recycle the carbide and we have it all internal. So we have the whole supply chain. And whenever it comes today about our security in production, we are a reliable partner on the global network, I would say. When it comes to long-term partner, we really have a global network of expertise working together with our local application engineers to ensure that we are able to produce the same quality, the same productivity everywhere on the world in each production of especially our big customers who has a global footprint. And this makes the difference. So we ensure the expertise is really on the local side. The people are going to be trained and we really copy-paste our process. We make sure together with the customer that we produce their parts most efficient.